Welcome to Unboxing Monday. I'm very excited about this because I love to support my friends. And you know, I don't think I've ever done a book unboxing. And this is the new book from my good friend John McClain, who's an interior designer, and he's been working on this for quite a while. It's a professional guide to a well-styled home. And I love he signed it for me too. I love that. But I'm telling you, you guys, it's an awesome book. If you are considering redoing your house or anything, I would reach out to John. But above and beyond, look at all of these designs that he has done. Clean, crisp, fresh. I'm so happy. He's been working on this book for quite a while, and it is awesome. I'm telling you right now, this would be a great holiday gift. Who needs a holiday? Just give it to somebody anyway. This is so great. Thank you, John. All the best, but I mean, come on. Get one. Love. The photography is pretty amazing. Good work, Johnny. I love that. And I love when things come with a bookmark. Boom. Check it out. Here's Johnny.